Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about addition and subtraction of integers, and we're going to perform the indicated operation on integers. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now, I will give you 10 examples class for you to really understand this one, and we'll be answering this one class step by step. So let's start with example number 1. We have 5 minus 12 plus 2. So first thing to do, class, you simplify this one first. 5 minus 12. Of course, 5 minus 12, the answer is negative 7. Now, sir, how did you get negative 7? So let's simplify this one first. 5 minus 12. Now go back to the rules in subtraction. So simply copy 5. Once again, copy 5. Now this subtraction sign, you change this one into addition sign. So this minus sign becomes plus sign. Plus, and then you change the sign class of 12 to its opposite. This is positive 12, it will be negative 12. And then we need to put parentheses class because we're not allowed class the two signs are close to each other. If we have positive negative or negative positive, we need to put parentheses. Alright, and then go back to the rules in addition. If the signs are not the same, we have positive 5, negative 12, you subtract. Okay, ignore first the sign. Once again, bigger number minus the smaller number. 12 minus 5, that is 7. And then simply copy the sign of the larger number. Now, 12 is negative, therefore our answer is negative 7. That's why, class, we have negative 7. So once again, 5 minus 12, the answer is negative 7 plus 2. So negative 7 plus 2. And the answer is negative 5. Once again, unlike signs, subtract 7 minus 2, that's 5. Ignore first the sign. So 7 minus 2, that's 5. And then check the sign class. 7 is greater than 2. We copy the sign of 7. That's why we have negative 5. So therefore, our answer with regards to example number 1, the answer is negative 5. Alright, so 5 minus 12, that is negative 7. And then negative 7 plus 2, that is negative 5. So the answer with regards to example number 1, the answer is negative 5. Alright, so let me just write it in red. The answer is negative 5. All set for example number 1 class. Alright, so let's have example number 2. So once again, class, we do it step by step. Example number 2. 11 plus 13 minus 2. Very easy for example number 2. So add this up. 11 plus 13, of course, that would be 24. And then 24 minus 2. So 24 minus 2. The answer is 22. So number 2, that would be positive 22. Very easy, right, for number 2? Let's have number 3. Alright, so let's have example number 3. Negative 12 minus 5 minus 10. So once again, we simplify this one first. Negative 12 minus 5. So negative 12 minus 5. So go back to the rules in subtraction. So copy this first number. We have negative 12. And then this minus sign becomes plus sign. So this minus sign becomes plus sign. And then the sign of 5, you change it to its opposite. This is positive 5. It will be negative 5. And then you put parentheses, class. Once again, you put parentheses because we do have two signs. This is positive and this is negative. So once again, class, if you have two signs close to each other, you need to put parentheses. Alright, and then proceed to the rules in addition. So negative 12 plus negative 5. If they have the same sign, simply copy the sign and then add the number. So 12 plus 5, that is 17. So once again, same sign, rules in addition. If they have the same sign, simply copy the sign and then add the number. So 12 plus 5, that is 17. So therefore, negative 12 minus 5, the answer is negative 17. Alright, and then negative 17 minus 10. So negative 17 minus 10. So let me just erase this one. Once again, negative 12 minus 5, the answer is negative 17. And then negative 17 minus 10. So negative 17 minus 10. Alright, so once again, copy this one first. Negative 17, you change the sign. This is negative, it becomes positive. And then this is positive 10, it will be negative 10. Change the sign to its opposite. Once again, class, this is plus sign because this is subtraction sign. We change the sign into plus sign. That's the rule there, class, in subtraction of integers. Alright, and then go back to the rules in adding integers. If they have the same sign, simply copy the sign and then add the number. 17 plus 10, that would be 27. So therefore, the answer with regards to example number 3, that would be negative 27. And then you're all set. Alright, so let's have example number 4. I hope, class, you're still with me. Once again, class, if you have some questions, class, do not hesitate to ask. You put your question on the comment section down below. Alright, so we have 3 plus negative 5 plus 7. So we start with 3 and negative 5. So 3 plus negative 5. Alright, so 3 plus negative 5, rules in addition. If they don't have the same sign, we subtract. So ignore first the sign. Subtract 5 minus 3. It must be the bigger number minus the smaller number. 5 minus 3, that is 2. And then copy the sign of the larger number. Now, since 5 is greater than 3, we copy the sign. So the answer is negative 2. Once again, 3 plus negative 5, the answer is negative 2. Alright, so this is negative 2 plus 7. So this will be negative 2 plus 7. Unlike signs, so subtract 7 minus 2, that's 5. Now 7 is greater than 2, we copy the sign. So therefore, our answer is positive 5. That's it, class, for example number 4. Easy, right, for number 4? Alright, so let's have example number 5. So 1 minus 13 plus 14. Subtract this one first. 1 minus 13. So 1 minus 13. So this will be 1. You change the sign. This is minus sign. It becomes plus sign in subtraction. So this becomes plus sign. And then this is positive 13. You change the sign to its opposite. It will be negative 13. So 1 plus 13. Once again, rules in addition. If they don't have the same sign, you subtract. So ignore first the sign. 13 minus 1, that is 12. Now 13 is greater than 1. We copy the sign of 13. So that would be negative 12. So this will be negative 12. 1 minus 13. The answer is negative 12 plus 14. So negative 12 plus 14. Once again, class, negative 12 plus this one. So negative 12 plus 14, rules in addition. If they don't have the same sign, subtract. 14 minus 12, that's 2. Now 14 is greater than 12, therefore we copy the sign of 14. This will be positive 2. Alright, so the answer of number 5, that would be positive 2. That's it, class, with regards to example number 1 to 5. Alright, let's have more examples, class. Let's have 6 to 10. Alright, so let's proceed now to example number 6. We have negative 1 minus 14 plus 17. So let me copy that one. Negative 1 minus 14 plus 17. So we simplify this one first. Negative 1 minus 14. So negative 1 minus 14. So rules in subtraction. Copy first, negative 1. This minus sign becomes plus sign. So this becomes plus. This 14, you change the sign to its opposite. This is positive 14. It will be negative 14. So rules in addition, if they have the same sign, simply copy the sign and then add the numbers. So 1 plus 14, that would be 15. So therefore, negative 1 plus negative 14, the answer is negative 15. So this is negative 15 plus 17. So negative 15 plus 17. So once again, if they don't have the same sign, this is addition. If they don't have the same sign, subtract. 17 minus 15, that is 2. Now 17 is greater than 15, we copy the sign of 17. So therefore, our answer is positive 2. That's it, class, for example number 6. So how about you try this one, class? Number 7, you try this one. And then number 9, and then you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. So let's answer number 8 and then number 10. Alright, so let's have example number 8. We have negative 10 minus 8 minus 7. Now, if you have example like this, class, the thing that you will do, you can just simply add the numbers and then simply copy the sign. 10 plus 8, that's 18, plus 7, that would be 25. And then simply copy the sign. Negative 25. That's the shortcut there, class. If you have example like this. So you think this one is negative 10, negative 8, negative 7. You think this one is negative 10, negative 8, negative 7. Simply copy negative sign and then you add the numbers. 10 plus 8, that's 18, plus 7, that's 25. If you have example like this. But since we need to do it step by step, class, we need to explain this one. So let's do it step by step. Negative 10 minus 8. So negative 10 minus 8. Okay, once again, rules in subtraction. Copy first, negative 10. This minus sign, you change this one into plus sign. And then this 8, you change this one to its opposite. This is positive 8, it will be negative 8. Alright, and then rules in addition. If they have the same sign, simply copy the sign and then add the numbers. 10 plus 8, that would be 18. So therefore, negative 10 plus negative 8, the answer is negative 18. So this is negative 18 minus 7. So negative 18 minus 7. Alright, so let me just write it here. Negative 18 minus 7. So copy negative 18, this minus sign, this becomes plus sign. And then this 7, it becomes negative 7. Change the sign to its opposite. So this will be negative 18 plus negative 7. If they have the same sign, simply copy the sign and then add the numbers. 18 plus 7, that would be 25. So the answer is negative 25. That's why, class, I told you a while ago, if you have example like this, you think this one is negative 10, negative 8, negative 7, simply copy negative sign and then add the numbers. 10 plus 8, that's 18, plus 7, that's 25. Simply copy negative sign. But if you're confused, class, do it this way, class, step by step. You do it this way, step by step. So the answer is negative 25 for number 8. Alright, so last one, class, number 10. Alright, so last example, class, example number 10. So 3 minus 16 plus negative 16. So we simplify this one first. 3 minus 16. Once again, rules in subtraction. Copy the first number. You change this subtraction sign into plus sign. And then you change the sign of 16 to its opposite. This is positive 16. It will be negative 16. Alright, and proceed to the rules in addition. If they don't have the same sign, we have positive 3, negative 16. Subtract 16 minus 3, that's 13. And then copy the sign of the larger number. 16 is greater than 3, we copy the sign. So this is negative 13. So 3 minus 16, the answer is negative 13 plus negative 16. So rules in addition, if they have the same sign, simply copy the sign and then add the numbers. So 13 plus 16, the answer is 29. Alright, so copy the sign, negative sign, same sign. Negative 13, negative 16, copy the sign, negative 13 plus 16, that would be 29. So the answer is negative 29. That's the answer, class, with regards to example number 10. All set, class. All set. So you try this one, class, number 7 and then number 9. And then you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. So once again, class, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.